I'm going to introduce a basic multiplication bar model. We'll start by reading the problem all the way through, and then we will restate our question in the form of a sentence so that you know what you're answering. Then we're going to go back through and we're going to go through and start to draw the quantities that we see in the problem as we see them. So we'll read, stop, and continue to draw between those. Then we'll have the bar model here, and I notice I've put a demarcation here to separate my bar model from my arithmetic. So you want to give the students some structure. There are 3 poorly behaved students. Each student has 7 demerits. How many demerits do the students have in all? There are blank demerits in all. Or rather, I guess the students have. Okay, so we'll read through again. There are 3 poorly behaved students. So students, there are 3 of them. So we'll draw 3 individual boxes to represent each student. Each student has 7 demerits. So this is going to represent my demerits. And I want to know what the total number of demerits is for each student. We said that was 7. How many demerits do the students have in all? So we're looking for the total, which we're going to mark on top. And again, my question mark goes where my final answer would belong. So I'm putting my question mark here to correspond with the answer sentence. So let's go to the arithmetic. I have 3 students, each with 7 demerits. So I have 21 demerits in all.